Hi, today I want to show you how to match color between clips in DaVinci Resolve. I'm using the version 20 here, and normally when I record video I don't worry about the color very much since I have been doing AI video, and it's sometimes I generate small clips and I want to show it in the same location, but the color basically change very quickly. Let me show you these two clips here. So that's the first clip, people dancing, and it's a very short video. So now you can see the color change quickly here. It seems it doesn't look like the same location. In that case, what you can do is go to the color page here, and now select the target which I want the color to match. That's the target I want, and right click on the source. So and select short match to this clip. Done. You can see the color just changed. If I toggle this, then you can see the difference between the colors. So now it's more yellowish, like the first one here. Now let's go back to the edit page. So let's run it through. So people are dancing here, and the color doesn't jump that much. So if I go back to the color page, if I want to reset that, I can go to reset no grade, and then I remove the color. Since I'm doing the AI video, I found color grading is very important because I need to match the color between the clips. This is just a quick video. I hope you find it useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.